Hi guys, bought this guy in a charity shop last week with the intention of just trying him out, getting him working, but it ended up as a 4-part series of videos, and he is now working. But I've been looking at some videos online for the mini Robosapiens or Robosapiens, and they've all got eyes that light up. There's definitely no wires in this one going up to the head. So either somebody's taken it apart and ripped the wires out, or this version never had eyes, or never had light-up eyes. So I'm going to have to do another video, aren't I? Put some LEDs in there. In the meantime, I thought I might show you this chap. Come on, let's... He's somewhat bigger. Somebody's going to lose, yeah. Yeah. The Robosapien does come in this size, or you could get the Homer Simpson version. I picked this one up in a charity shop a few years ago now. He's in a slightly sorry state. The insulation on the wiring is degraded, we'll say. But other than that, he's fully working. And he just sits up in one of the bedrooms and does nothing, because I don't do anything with him. But I just thought I'd show him, because I've been doing that one. I did have the opportunity to buy a full-sized one of them, and I didn't buy it. I'm probably pleased that I didn't, because it'd just be another one that sits somewhere and doesn't get used. I did a series of videos with this chap, obviously. I tried to get him to launch a paper aeroplane, because you can get him to move his arms backwards and forwards. Let's see. Throw. Oh, we've got to be in the right mode for it to do that as well. There we are. No. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, somehow or other I worked out I could get his arm up there and then throw something. I tried to get him to throw a paper aeroplane. I can't remember the sequence. You had to get the right sequence to do it. Yeah, like I said, I got a playlist of all the things I did with him. I'll put a link in the video description. He is rather lovely. Instead of being a hard plastic like that one, he does give the impression of being sort of a soft Homer Simpson. Hang on. That way. That way. Yeah, it's got a lovely walk, you know. Trying to remember the... Oh yeah, you can actually program him. And then he does what you've programmed him to do. Where are we? Select. Depending on the colour. Oh, can you tell that's a different colour? Yeah, that's green. And that's red. And then he does different things. Do that again, so we can actually... Yeah.
Feeling stupid? I know I am.
Beginning to remember the sequence. Press the button till you get the colour, and then press the button.
Feeling stupid? I know I am.
That looks like the one that threw the paper airplane. Anyway. Yeah, something like that. Oh, hang on. Let's go step through to green. Yeah, that was supposed to be throwing. Yeah, okay. That'll do. We've rambled on for 8 minutes or so. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.